What is the SMARF attack? How does it work and how to prevent it? In this video, we will discuss that in detail. SMARF attack is a type of denial of service attack. A DOS or denial of service attack is an attack that is perpetrated for the purpose of making a target system or network resource unavailable for its intended users. This attack suspends a network or service temporarily or for an indefinite period. In a SMARF attack, an attacker creates lots of ICMP packets and sends them to the IP broadcast address of a computer network. The attacker uses the IP address of the targeted host as the source IP address of the ICMP packets. The devices in the network receive the ICMP packets, and on receiving the ICMP packets, the devices start sending replies. But the source IP addresses of the sent ICMP packets are forged ones. As a result, all the replies are sent to the targeted host's IP address. If the number of devices in the network is vast and most of the devices send a reply, then the ICMP replies flag the target host machine. The network traffic slows down the target host machine to the extent that the target host becomes entirely inaccessible for legitimate users, and that causes a denial of service attack. How to prevent SMARF attack? The SMARF attack can be prevented in the following three ways. Hosts and routers in a network can be configured not to respond to ICMP requests or broadcasts. One can configure routers not to forward packets directed to IP broadcast addresses. And one can also use ingress filtering to block packets in the network that come from outside the network but use source IP addresses that belong to the network. If we do so, attackers cannot send spoofed packets from outside a network by forging the IP address of an internal host of the network. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more can visit the website of the Security Buddy. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.